Hi guys, today I wanted to share with you my April design team project for Jenofeve Designs. This month I've chosen Remnants Lovely Layers, and it is the stained script, which is this one. Okay, I've also used quite a bit in the album, in the little book, the Remnants tags bundle as well. I purchased the bundle, but the Remnants tags as well, but the bundle is well worth it because you've got the 4 designs plus the plain. Really, and I'm really happy that I got that because they go perfectly, but also just as tags they're really handy. So I'll go through the book first. And then I'll just show you how I did one of the pages afterwards. So first of all, I have used just plain cream card on the cover, and then craft text for the spine. And so it is a soft spine, but as you can see, it's still really sturdy. So and then on the front I have got some Hessian or burlap. This is the Build Embellishment set 4 from that. This is tags from the printables. This is from the Build Embellishments, and this little piece here is glue string there. This little piece there is from the printables from one of the bows, from one piece from one of the bows, and I've just folded it over and used it there. Got a Tim Holtz hitch fastening. I think it's called hitch post fastening. And then inside, on the front page, we have got 2 tag pockets. And then that's a tag from the tag bundle. And then these are from the Build Embellishments that I've printed off. And that pocket's in vellum. Then the first pocket is tied with seam binding. And then this piece here is actually the matting pieces for the accordion envelope, but I've just used it slightly differently. So I have a little tuck spot here, which is again the Build Embellishments. I've only in this one, all the embellishments, the Build Embellishments I've used is set 4, the newest one out. And then here we've got a little excuse me, secret pocket in there, and that's again Build Embellishments. And all I've done there is use the punch, a punch to do the kind of the notepad thing there, and then it's hidden away in there, which goes in the way. Right, then the next page, just tie this up. Okay, so the next page I've just done a pocket here, and then I've got 3 of the tags just grouped together there, and then this is just again one of the printables, and I've just done a little I love doing those, the little safety pin with the little seed beads on it. And then the next page is the pocket, or the pocket page I'm going to be showing you how I did. So effectively that unties, and then that flips out, and then underneath here, in here, is the secret pocket, and then I have an insert there, and the inserts have got little tuck spots on them. So that is the one that we're going to do in a minute. I'll leave that undone for later. Here I've used a tag as a tuck spot, and then just put, I think that's one of the inserts, and that is the design again that I'm using. And again, a little safety pin with the seed beads on. This page here I've just done a flip up, and then a tuck spot here that I've sewn, and then again another tuck spot. I've tried to leave some pages with enough space to put photos or journaling on. Excuse me. And then another tuck spot on this page. Now this one here, that's a Tim Holtz index clip, and then that's one of the tags, and then this just flips out like this, and then I have a tag again from the tags bundle in there, and then this is just one of the pieces that I'd had left. I think that is either one of the matting pieces or one of the little envelopes. Then a tuck spot here using the build embellishments again. So put that back on there. Then the next page is a pocket again, and in the pocket I have made a little booklet from the build embellishments, and then this is one of the envelopes in the printables, and has an insert, which I think that I matted up that one. I didn't want to mat the outside because I've used this stain script all the way through, but then I ended up covering quite a lot of it up, so decided in this case that I was just going to leave it without matting it up. Then on this page we've got another tag and another tag, two tags sitting behind another tag pocket, the build embellishments used as a tuck spot, and again a little build embellishment folded over as a little booklet. And again I've followed that all the way through, the little safety pins with the seed beads on. And then on the last page is the accordion envelope. Again, closed with seam binding. This is from the build embellishments. And then inside that, we've just got some inserts. I think that is a little, yeah, that's one of the inserts again. And actually you can get loads in here. So it would be good that way around. That you could put all sorts. I've cut out pieces that I've had over that I hadn't used when I printed the pages off, that I had extra. Okay, there we go. And then this piece at the back of this is this flap that I've used that is joined on. When you get it, it's kind of attached together for the matting pieces, and that's what I've used to make the page that I'm going to show you how to do. So excuse me. So it's going to be this this page here. So I have prepared it, but I've printed off one of the pages, stain script on the other side, and then on this side, of course you can do it on any of the pages, but so you need that. You'll need this page, which is the let me see if I can find it in the book for you. So this is page, right, what I've used here, this one is this page. So I've just chopped off one piece, and I've also cut off one of the tabs. So you can see I've prepared it ready. I've cut off this top tab here, and I've put double-sided tape all the way along, and then I have made a slit here in the card and passed the seam binding through, and then I have prepared that ready, and then I've stuck the seam binding down. Now the next piece that we need is this piece, which is from this page, and you could mat it if you wanted to. There are matting pieces there, so I'll just show you the mat. So that's the matting pieces. If you wanted to, I haven't in this case, and actually just to show you, to make it easier, this is the piece that we're going to create the pocket, the secret pocket with. So then I have cut off this piece here. So I've used this piece and I've trimmed off one of the tabs. Whoops, so one tab, I think it was that side that I did. I've chosen to fold it in on itself, so this will be stuck down, and this, we'll have it up this way, this will be stuck down and that will fold in, but you could do it, of course, the other way as well, or you could just do it this way and then still punch the holes and put some hole reinforcers on, but I've chosen to do it this way. So I have put double-sided tape here, and I'm going to just take the tape off, and I will just put a bit of glue stick just to give me a little bit of wiggle room. So where it's going to go is here. If I get this the right way around, no, this way around, yeah. So this is going to go here. What you do need to make sure is that you're not sticking it totally, you know, so that you can't get the fold. So I've done it this way around, but actually probably, let's have a look that way. So you still need to be able to fold it in, and that should be all right. Yeah. So I'll close that down. And then this piece here, we are going to take off all of the double-sided tape. And again, I'm going to probably use a glue stick just to give me a little bit of time in case I don't lay it on straight. Right, okay. Then, of course, this, you need to make sure that this is still out, coming out this way, and you don't get it stuck underneath. And then we are going to stick that on, isn't it, as close as I can. Sorry, hope I'm not going to have a shot there. Right, okay, so that's now stuck on, and now you have the pocket. Let's tie it up first, and you'll see, be a bit easier. Excuse me. Just tie it quickly. Right, so then this is your page, and then here is your pocket. There's so many ways, different ways to do this actual page as well. Another way, you don't have to have a secret pocket, or you could, where you can put an insert, you could just do it like this. And I've literally here, I have just used a matting piece and put the ribbon underneath, put the matting piece on, and then that still opens up. So you don't have to have it as a secret pocket if you don't want to. I have really, really enjoyed working with this template, and I think I'm going to end up using it lots and lots. So I do hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, one more thing before I go. I will leave the links for everything below in the description box below. Also, I will leave a list of all the pages that I have used to make this little booklet. Any other information that I find, that anything that I've used, I will leave in the link below, in the description box below. Sorry. Okay, again, thank you for watching.